Today we will talk about the square or practical hand. The square hand has a square palm, almost proportionate in length and breadth, both at the wrist at the side of the fingers. The thumb is generally medium sized and the tips of the fingers square. When viewed from the back, the nails are square too. The hand is small compared to the size of the individual who possesses it. The skin texture is usually firm. If you possess such as a hand, you are likely to possess the following psychological traits. Number 1, you are a very practical and realistic person, observing everything from the pragmatic point of view and are thus an action oriented person rather than a dreamer or thinker. Number 2, instead of being carried away by emotions and sentiments, you tend to, instead of being carried away by emotions and sentiments, you tend to follow reason and logic and search for solid facts to draw your conclusions. Substances rather than spirit, action rather than words mean more to you. Number 3, you work systematically and methodically according to well calculated and premeditated plan and seldom make hasty and impetuous decisions. Number 4, being a law abiding, peace loving, disciplined and orderly person, you like to work in an atmosphere of peace and tranquility. Number 5, business career attracts you most, and if ever you go in for service, you opt for jobs which require strict discipline, regimentation and submission to authority. Number 6, although you look at everything from the materialistic and utilitarian points of view, you are also religious minded, prone to observe religious rites, customs and ceremonies with rigorous care and punctuality. However, it is the form of dogma rather than the soul or spirit of religion which appeals most to you. Number 7, you are hardworking and industrious and possesses plenty of endurance and perseverance to achieve the desired goals, but your way of working is very stereotype, strictly to rules and regulations and set to procedures. Courage to experiment with new ways of doing things is lacking in you. As a matter of fact, square-handed people are seldom original and creative. They follow the beaten track. Whatever they achieve is through consistent hard work and self-endure. Number 8, if you happen to possess a weak thumb and headline tied closely to the lifeline with this hand type, it shows that you are a timed and weak willed person, prone to suffer from deep feelings of inferiority, and as such can never be a leader or a pioneer in any walk of life. However, you can prove to be an excellent follower and faithful discipline. Number 9, accompanied with this hand, if you have a straight headline and typical square and spatulate fingers, you possess a natural aptitude for exact sciences such as physics, mathematics, engineering, accountancy, medicine and all other disciplines which require skill and techniques. Number 10, in personal habits you are very regular and punctual, well mannered, neat and clean and meticulously polished person possessing love for order, beauty, and subtlety. So, गलत कर सटे हो तमन के